Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons. He was brake checking, and now he's about to get a ticket.
Allez, range! Bien fait pour ta gueule, vas-y!
This driver told the police I rammed into her. She didn't know I'd already shown the dash cam footage. Her insurance company denied fixing her car, and now they're paying for the truck.
Are you?
He probably thought he was having fun, never saw the cop coming. Well deserved for brake checking. Ouch! That missed punch must have hurt more than landing one. Instant justice served to this reckless Jeep driver. The driver was determined to cause havoc, but the dashcam driver was wise to avoid him. This reckless driver had a child in the car and still pulled this stunt. Was the truck driver justified in his reaction? Let us know in the comments.
Vitu ruukkari.
107.7 Alternative Seattle.
This driver stops for no reason and brake checks after being honked at.
Not get into a fight.
Road raging drivers slammed on their brakes right in front of me. What were they thinking? This double tap from the truck brought this driver to his senses. Always do a double tap by hitting the subscribe and like buttons.
I'm Batman.
This guy tried to pass on the shoulder, failed a brake check, and got what he deserved. Looks like he used the emergency brake to hide his lights. In this incident, the dashcam driver stopped and was rear-ended. It wasn't his fault. The car in the front brake checked, causing a chain reaction. Was she attempting insurance fraud with that brake check? Whatever it was, she got what she deserved.
Hello, your computer.
If you were the insurance company, would you cover this reckless behavior?
I know how to do colors, but I like all the colors. Yeah, like I said, I don't know what it is.
Any angry Porsche driver brake checks, probably regretting it right now, realizing it was a bad move. Always think twice before brake checking a heavy truck. This driver got exactly what he deserved.
Here's another one. This biker rages at another driver behind him, but some other random driver ends up paying the price when they decide to get involved.
Should have been paying attention.
One guy took out his anger on the mirror, while the other took it out on his car. They are not the same.
Блин, утирает его. Не подъезжай с ним, он какой гад. Гад, да вон едет, гад. О. Сейчас Морган будет. Почему? Глянь, черножопая. А Россия написано.
Московского.
О, ничего себе! Тихо, смотри, сейчас вот это едет.
Whoa. You got the wrong guy here. If you thought this guy had the guts to actually swing the bat, you're wrong. All talk and no show. Why did he even bother to stop? The other driver wasn't intimidated one bit.
Oh, aren't we a hard guy? Why don't you be a off? Off for your Bentley. Off in your Bentley. Oh, go on. Cough. Go on. Yep.
Yeah.
You cheat. Go on, keep.
All that karate effort just to destroy a mirror? Talk about misplaced energy.
Yeah. You got the video of that? Oh,
Another day, another road rage idiot. The bus driver showed too much patience. Just a little road rage or a disaster waiting to happen.
What the fuck?
Engaging with someone who has road rage in their blood? Bad idea. Want another word for road rage? That guy. Brake check rage edition. This could have gone way worse. Well, what is the right way to handle this situation? I need answers in the comments.
this thing doesn't matter.
You do not!
Let go of my car. Let go of my car. Hold on, then.
Pure driving skills or just dumb luck? What do you think? I know what you're thinking. Why is he driving like this? Intense road rage between an elderly man and a motorcyclist. Who was right?
Why don't you get in the position of your driver's seat and go? I can't see you. What I'm trying to tell you. Now get in your driver's seat and go. What's going on?
Road rage benefits no one. Just drive away. What kind of driving is this? Absolute madness on the road.
You on the iPad.
Bro runs like that kid no one wanted on their kickball team. What's his problem? These drivers act like teenagers joyriding their parents' car without a license.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo, he's on the oncoming traffic.
Why is Grandpa so pissed off? Someone get him a cup of tea. And that's it. Some drivers just don't know when to let things go. Stay calm, stay safe, and let us know which moment was the craziest. Like and subscribe for more wild driving clips.